Want to know how to check if a character is a digit or a letter in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in order to check if it's a digit, letter or something else, it's super simple. So we have created a use Character.isDigit method. So right here you can see if character is digit under ch. So we have first defined character that is 7. So in order to check it, we have used it, and we have also used Character.isLetter and Character.isDigit. That's it. Super simple and easy. So we have created it inside a loop and then just printed it out just like this. Now, if it's any other than character and letter, we just write else instead of else if and print out other. That's it. Now you can just simply run it up to check the code and you are good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.